Hello and welcome, I'm Jade, the artist behind Faye Collective. In this video we're making magnets. I'm going to show you the whole process from the digital file to cutting it out on the Cricut machine. I start by creating grids on Procreate. This is to get the sizes of magnets cohesive. I start importing PNG files of the illustrations I want to turn into magnets. I'm just matching up my blueberry snail to my mushroom snail as I want them to be the exact same size. Once I have my illustration sizes, my pen just died. Does anyone else just really hate the way that we have to charge these pens on an iPad? Okay, that should be charged enough. I make a white border for the magnets so that the Cricut blade cuts against the border instead of the actual illustration. I export the illustration as a single PNG and open it on Cricut. I open a new project and then I upload the PNG as a flat graphic. I printed off a black and white just like ADGSM paper print just to test everything out and make sure that it's all okay. And the illustrations are actually way smaller than magnets I've already made. So now I know that I need to resize the magnets. So I'm going to resize them and delete the duplicate, press attach, and then proceed to test print. I'm very happy with this size and the colours are pretty good. I'm now uploading the glossy magnetic paper into the printer and going to print the illustrations. So now that we have done all the print tests, at least now we can, and it's printing out wrong. What a waste of material. Okay, so I'm double checking the settings because I don't want to waste another magnetic sheet, and that looks all good. What I don't understand is that the first one is just the illustrations without these random smudges, and then the second one has the smudges, and then the third also has the smudges. After the Cricut has cut the magnets, I peel the magnets off by pulling the mat towards me. This prevents damaging your magnets. Don't do it the other way around. I really love how these turned out. I think they're actually like super cute. For the packaging, I keep it the same design as the others. The brand is on the top, the website is on the side, and socials and product description are at the bottom. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I appreciate it. Let me know in the comments which magnet you like the best. See you guys in the next one. Bye.